Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace your sway bar bushings. This is the sway bar. It goes from both sides. There's a sway bar link on that side, sway bar link on the other side, and we're going to replace the bushings. So the bushing is held in by basically a U-clamp with two bolts on this side and the same over here. So we'll start with this side by undoing it. It's a size 12 millimeter wrench. And you get it up in there, wrench or socket, not much space for a socket. And then this one we can go up over for the front, go up over the A-frame, the center frame, and be able to get a ratchet on it. Hopefully you can see the other side that we're going to undo this side too. So with both sides undone, you can just push it up, and then we can move this bushing to the other side. And then you can just pull it off. So you pull it off and you see got the crack in there. So not completely bad, worn out a bit. So we'll do the same on this one. So you watch, you can push it up, and then you can push that clamp up out of the way a little bit. So I didn't take the full back bolt out. Okay, so you take your new sway bar, or not use your new sway bar, you take your new bushing, right, and you're able to move this sway bar a little bit that way because both sides are undone. And then you're going to want to take your new bushing, slide it up and over. So get it wrapped around the bar, then hold the clamp up and just slide the bushing. You can slide it into place, and you see this little stop here. It's going to be basically the same on the other side, and that's how you know that you've got it where it needs to be. The same gap between the two, because when you tighten it, that's where it stops. Alright. So get the other bolt on the back side, start it in, and now we just tighten it. It's our 12 millimeter. And just kind of tighten it equally. So get this side to go down some, then tighten some on the other side. And that's how you replace your sway bar bushing. Do the same thing on the other side. There's one on this side, one on this side. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can become a mechanic.